mom's gonna hear that and freak. Be like, ah, Shannon! Ah, that's the first time I ever heard the ambulance in my life.
Must be Shannon.
Yeah, I know. They always think I'm like dead.
Well, my mom texted me to make sure it wasn't us, and it apparently ended up being at the party.
I'm so hammered right now.
You're pretty wasted. Look at Shannon.
Look at my nose. Cause you put on quite a show. Oh, the lights went on in there. Oh, maybe it's in the ambulance. How long does it take an ambulance to drive to the hospital?
Pretty long. Barely. It's all the way up there.
Oh, they drove through the... Do they?
Your boyfriend.
Maybe your boyfriend? That's what I thought.
Turn off.
You're so clever, Shayla.
Fuck, I know.
You know what? This is gonna wake up the whole town. How rude.
I know. Fuck the town.
Town blows. You'll never hear this in Hills.
Fucking going, okay? All I needed was a fucking gentle touch from you. Oh,
So they finally got it
Sirens
out?
were off.
They finally got him out, I guess?
Yeah.
Or they just left him there?
No, they would have